Creating digital collages is a playful and accessible way to make original, sometimes quirky, surreal or funny, but always engaging illustrations. And whether you want to create a quick and spontaneous composition or a carefully constructed artwork with neatly cut and arranged elements, with the range of tools available in Adobe Photoshop, you can easily transform your found images into something entirely new and often completely unexpected. I am Zhenya from Creative, and I love working with vintage graphics and giving them a new life as prints and surface patterns. And with this class, I invite you to explore creating captivating digital collages using vintage illustrations, all freely available online. This class is beginner-friendly and perfect whether you're just starting out in Adobe Photoshop or simply looking for a low-pressure and fun creative project. And even if you're not new to Adobe Photoshop, I am sure you will pick up some new tips and techniques for using a range of different tools and working smart. Throughout this class, I will walk you through the complete step-by-step process, including sourcing vintage illustrations from online image archives, approaches to creating collages and combining elements, cutting out images of different levels of complexity using a range of Adobe Photoshop tools, arranging, scaling and layering your cutouts to build your collage composition, creating geometric elements to add more visual interest to your collage, enhancing the aesthetics of your collage with non-destructive image adjustments, fine-tuning the colors and texture in your collage to bring it all together, and saving your work for print and sharing online. Whether you want to create eye-catching collages just for fun, make designs to sell as prints, t-shirts or posters, or just want to get more confident at using Adobe Photoshop, this class is for you. I cannot wait to see what kind of collages you create following this class. So, join in now and let's make something awesome!